Hello everyone and welcome back to the question of the week contest on your favorite YouTube channel, The Power of Excel. Apologies for not keeping in touch over the last few weeks as far as this contest is concerned, but I'll make sure we do it from now on. So the question for all of you for this week is, which tool in Microsoft Excel can be used to analyze the impact of one variable on another? I repeat, which tool in Microsoft Excel can be used to analyze the impact of one variable on another? Please make sure we're not talking about impact of multiple variables. It is at max one variable impact on another variable. So please post in your answers in the comment section, and I look forward to answering this question in the next tutorial in a few days' time. Till then, this is Dr. Ankit Mahindroo signing off. Take care. Bye bye.